Is Shopify better than Etsy? In this video, I'm gonna show you why Shopify it is better than Etsy, guys. Okay, you can use Shopify not only for dropshipping but also to create digital products using Shopify, guys. Okay, so as you can see that I've been access with Shopify, so I know what I'm gonna talk about in this video because I've been inside the members area of Shopify. So as you can see that, guys. Okay, so let me show you the first thing. There's some things that you can do let's start with Etsy. So Etsy, in a nutshell, this is good for creators that they want to sell their products online, as you can see that. So these are people that they are listing digital products here. So you can do the same thing with Etsy, but Etsy comes with some of the disadvantages that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see that these are some of the digital products that you can have here on Etsy. So with Shopify, it's a different story, guys. Okay, with Shopify it is a different story because with Shopify you can have a full advantage, like on your store. You are not dependent on Etsy. You have a full advantage on your store, and not only that, you can have all of this done for you, themes for your dropshipping store or for your dropshipping business. As you can see that you can also do some customization here on your store, guys. Okay, you can do some customization. Maybe you can also change the colors here. You can just put the logos. You can also change the prices. You can also change the currency. There's so many things that you can do. Like if let's say that you want to use this theme, you can just add this theme. Is going to be added straight on your dropshipping store on Shopify. Let's go back to Etsy. So here under Etsy, if let's say that I want to search for clothes, I'm going to say t-shirt. So I can just click here and search for t-shirts. So here t-shirts, so you have an idea of these content creators that they are using Etsy to design these kind of t-shirts and also to sell them here. So you can just have an idea. Look at this. This person is just selling only for one store, one product here, only for one product. But with Shopify you can just add your own products like this one that I showed you. Okay, you can have multiple products on your store here, guys. Okay, with Shopify. So this is one of the advantages that Shopify has than Etsy, guys. Okay, you can have multiple products compared to Etsy that you can just upload. You have to upload one product and also upload one product, so it is much time consuming to do that. But you can get traffic on Etsy to sell your products. You can get traffic, but one of the disadvantages about Etsy is that if let's say that your store is not ranked in the first page here, meaning that let's say that your store is ranked under here number page 8, you'll be not getting much sales because no one is going to be clicking here and go straight to your store. You can see that you can also go to page number 11. If your store is not ranked on page 1, you're not getting any sales, you're not getting any traffic with your with your Etsy store. So this is one of the disadvantages of Etsy. But with Shopify, if let's say that you already designed your own store, you can also get traffic, guys. Okay, you can also get traffic on how to market your store and how to scale up the right to your dropshipping business using Shopify, guys. Okay, they are not dependent with the traffic that you're getting from Etsy, but Etsy, they are getting free traffic. But if your store is not ranked in the first page, you're not gonna be getting any traffic, meaning that you're not gonna be getting any sales to your dropshipping business, guys. Okay, so let me show you some of the features that Shopify has that Etsy does not offer. If I go here to add the products, so this is where that you can also add the products for your dropship for your Shopify store. I'm just gonna click here and add a product. Let me show you, guys. Okay, so what you can do, you can just give a title of your product. Okay, I'm just gonna put the title of my product, and then you can also write anything here. But I like to use this AI feature from Shopify that allows me to write any content with my product, that allows you any description about my product. I'm just gonna click here to generate. I'm just gonna put the keyword. Okay, I'm just gonna put the keywords here. I'm just gonna change the tone of voice. I'm gonna use persuasive. I'm just gonna click here to generate. As you can see that in just a few seconds, Shopify is done writing the content about my product. I'm just gonna click here and keep it. And also what you can do, you can also do the same thing, guys. You can also go back and write more content about the product. Just put the keywords here, just put the keywords and also change the tone of voice. Now I'm going to use an expect. I'm just gonna click here to generate. As you can see that Shopify AI is writing this description, guys, for me automatically. I'm just gonna click here and keep it. As you can see, it's just a few seconds, guys. It is done. So what you can do, you can also upload your own image. If you already have an image about a product, maybe a t-shirt, you can just click and upload them. It's gonna upload it straight on your Shopify store. You can also put the prices here, but remember I'm in South Africa, so this is only in that country, but in that currency. But you can also use any currency that you want. I'm just gonna put this one. I'm just gonna use a compare. I'm just gonna put the cost per item. It's gonna be showing me, okay, like it's gonna be showing me the profit that I'll be making and also the margins that I'll be having, guys. Okay. So what you can do, what I like about Shopify is that not only you'll be getting some free traffic on Google. Let's say that you want to click here and say buy a t-shirt, buy t-shirts. I'm gonna show you how you can get free traffic here. As you can see, for this one, these are the paid traffic. For sponsors, meaning that there are people that they are buying traffic from Google, guys. Okay. So in Shopify, you can also get free traffic like this kind of website, guys. Okay, you can also rank it here. So Shopify has this feature called Shopee search engine optimization. You can just click and add it, so at your store, whenever I search to buy a t-shirt, your store is gonna be ranked here, guys. Okay, and like this, remember you'll be putting your own you'll be putting your own image of your product that you are selling, so that your customer is gonna be see all of these t-shirt. And also whenever you rank, it is very easy, guys. Okay, to rank in the first on YouTube or sort on Google search engine than Shopify, guys. Okay, than Shopify here on this page. It is very easy compared to Etsy, guys, because Etsy, you have to, in order to get traffic, you have to rank in the first page here, which is very difficult to rank here if you're a new store. But if you're a new store with Shopify, you can also rank here, guys. Very easy, guys, to rank your store here on the search engine of Google, so that you can get free traffic and also you can get sell for your Shopify store, guys. Okay, automatically. Okay, so what else you can do? You can just click here and save it, or you can just put the vendor, I mean that your name and stuff like that, and also the tags. Okay, you can just do that, guys. Okay, you can also check the analytics. You can also go to analytics. You can also check the analytics of your of like how many sales that you have, like the total orders that you have on your Shopify store, guys. Okay, you can also see the top selling products. All of those things is gonna be showing all of the analytics, guys. Okay, now let me show you the pricing plans about Shopify. So when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's gonna take you to this page. This is whereby, guys, that you can get started for free using Shopify, guys. Okay, but the plan that I recommend for you guys is the basic plan, meaning that it's gonna be costing you only for $19 per month, guys. Okay, so this is far the best way that you can use Shopify than Etsy, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you sharp.